Choo-choo, happy train on the track. Red and yellow, clickety-clack. Wheels go round, the whistle blows. Wave hello, off we go! Choo-choo, roll along. Sing, sing, sing our train time song. Choo-choo, fast and slow. Watch the happy train go, go.
Passing trees and houses bright. Morning sun is shining light. Over bridges, through the town, up the hill and gently down.
Choo-choo, click-clack sound. Happy wheels go round and round. Choo-choo, ding-ding-too. Fun train ride for me and you. Red is bright,
Itchy,
blue is cool.
I,
Count the cars.
1, 2, 3.
Stop means wait.
Towing.
Go means move. Learning while we ride.
Whee! Nighttime comes, the stars say hi. Train goes under moonlit sky.
Slowly stopping at the station. End of fun, what celebration! Choo-choo, wave good